Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
We're going to see something very exciting. Get ready. Oh my God, we're surrounded. They're everywhere. Thousands and thousands.
No wonder it's called Gnomesville.
Yes, we might have nightmares tonight. Gnomes. So many gnomes. This is not a normal amount of gnomes.
Do you think we'll find our way gnome from here?
The reason why there are so many gnomes here is completely unknown to us. It doesn't end, they're everywhere. We had to flee, completely traumatized, unable to ever look at a gnome in the eye again. The Bustleton Long Jetty people goes all the way there. There's even a little train that goes up and down for those people who don't want to walk in. Like us, it's kind of freezing and it's spitting in our face. So, yeah, I think we're gonna go back to the van. Nice jetty though, it'd be lovely on a sunny day. Go check out the chooks.